Hi, I'm Chef Rachel and I'm representing Carysil's kitchen appliances. Carysil, one of the most sought names in the industry of sink and kitchen appliances, has always delivered excellence at every approach. These high-grade products are a live example of the perfect blend of innovation and quality. Now no more tick-tocking of the knob control or the push-button control. This built-in microwave has been engineered with hassle-free digital sensor touch control, which makes it way more user-friendly compared to the traditional microwaves. With its 10 preset cooking program, this built-in microwave has been completely equipped with cooking any kind of recipe without the headache of setting a program manually. It can automatically select the temperature, the time and the process from all the three functions like grill, microwave and convection in different combinations, making it at the top in the race with its competitors. Its advanced convection system provides a uniform 360-degree heat spread inside the chamber to cook your food evenly from all the sides. These features of this microwave allows you to set the function at once, and now you can sit back and relax while your meal is getting prepared at an instant touch. The SS chamber of this microwave is easy to clean and wipe, thereby maintaining the hygiene. Full black glass outer body gives a good presentation to your kitchen and matches 100% with our Carysil built-in oven, the Bio one. The digital display is helpful as you don't have to rush back to the microwave in between of cooking other items in order to check the timer. Be it Maggi or homemade pizza, satisfy all your hunger crave with the Carysil built-in microwave.